Good morning and pleasant day, kids. Welcome back to the video session of Edistar International School. In this session, you are going to see Class 5 English Grammar, Chapter 13, Adjectives, Part 1. Along with that, we are going to review the Lesson 7, The Day I Came to Meet Mishka, and also the class work we are going to write. So, take your class work and English book. Before getting into the session, first of all, I thank you all the parents to extend their hands to their wards to write the first term exam effectively. Kids, I congratulate you all for your performance. Congratulations once again. Now we will review the lesson 7, The Day I Came to Meet Mishka. It is a story about two friends, Mishka and Nicolets, who involved in the making process of incubator model. Mishka explained that incubator making process from the poultry farming book which he was reading. They have collected the things from the heap of rubbish in the garage. Things like paraffin lamp, tin, copper wire, plywood, etc. With the help of these things, they were in the process of doing incubator. Incubator is a device used to hatch the chicken from eggs artificially without the help of a brood hen. Two friends collected all the materials and they started to make the incubator. They made a large box out of plywood and it is enough to hold 15 eggs. They covered the plywood with cotton wool and covered it with a layer of felt to keep the eggs warm. Then they made a lid for the box with a small hole for the thermometer so that they could check the temperature. They took the tin can for heater. Two holes were made, one at the top and the other at bottom. And then they soldered the pipe to the upper hole and made opening in the side of the box, and that they inserted the pipe. The other end was connected to the bottom of the can. This setup was placed in the wooden crate, and under the tin the paraffin lamp was placed. Everything was ready. Then they lit the paraffin lamp. The mercury in the thermometer began to rise. When Miksha's mother came, she smelled the paraffin. So she yelled and stopped the working process of the incubator. There they stopped the everything and they couldn't do the working process of incubator. Children, now we will discuss about the grammar chapter 13, adjectives. Kids, now we will see the definition for adjective. Adjective is nothing but it describes or briefs about noun. Okay, noun, you know, name of a person, place, thing, animal, or idea, etc. Isn't it? So what it describes a taste of the noun, color of the noun, smell of the noun, looks of the noun, behavior of the noun, and numbers of the noun, and sounds and feelings of the noun, and size of the noun. So here describes about the noun. Adjective is nothing but it describes about the noun. We will see some example in the upcoming slides. Children, here I have given some adjectives. Okay, for example, bent, calm, clear, scrawny, broken, raining, calm, weird, windy, poor, cold, small, big, shiny, smelly, colorful, clean, awful, creepy, bitter, cold, ugly, etc. So from this you can find out that it describes about something. These words will describe about something, isn't it? Yeah, so we will see now. Kids, we will see some examples for adjectives. Okay, so examples are in shape. If you consider it will be round, square, triangle, rectangle, and so many shapes will come, isn't it? And if size we consider means big, small, tiny, large, so many will be there. And colors, so many: purple, green, blue, red, so many. A number means 1, 2, 3, and so many are there. And taste, if you consider means spicy, sour, sweet, tangy. And smell, if you consider means stingy, sweet, pleasant. And sound, if you consider means loud, quiet, silent. And texture, if you consider soft, rough, isn't it? So many things we can say to describe the noun. So some of the examples are here. Kids, now we will see the types of adjectives. Here, adjectives in your book they have given 6 number. Okay, first one is adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity, and third one is adjective of number, and fourth one is demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. In the upcoming slides we will discuss one by one. Okay, so here quality tells the kind, okay, and quantity tells the tells about the quantity of noun, and the numbers of noun. Adjective of number tells about the numbers of noun, and demonstrative adjective points out the noun. Interrogative adjective asks question to the noun, and possessive adjective shows possession to the noun. Okay. Children, now we will see the adjective of quality in detail. Okay, adjective of quality answers the questions what kind of. In previous slide I have mentioned, right, what kind of. So if you are in a sentence, if you are asking a question what kind of, the answer should the answer which is coming is the adjective of quality. Okay, so here see the example. He is a brave person. So if you put forth the question what kind of person, the answer comes is brave. Here brave is the adjective of quality. Okay, and next example, see, she has a beautiful voice. What kind of voice? Beautiful. So here beautiful is the adjective of quality. So adjective of quality explains, answers the questions what kind of. Is it clear, students? Children, now we will see some examples of adjectives of quality. Okay, so adjectives of quality, based on what people decide the quality: color, size, shape, taste, etc. Isn't it? Yeah. So color means black, blue, coral, green, pink will come, and so many. And size, big, huge, large, little, short, and etc. Shape, boxy, oval, round, square, triangular, etc. And taste, bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, tart, etc. Isn't it? So here we will see the examples. He has a black color bag. What kind of color bag it is? So what answer will come? Black, isn't it? Yeah, she has a little basket. What kind of basket? Little. Rani had a oval shaped box. What kind of shape box she has? Oval. And tamarind is sour in taste. What kind of taste the tamarind has? Sour, isn't it? Yeah, so here black, little, oval, sour, it describes the noun, isn't it? So it is the examples for adjectives of quality. Students, next we will see the adjective of quantity. The adjective of quantity answer the questions how much or how many. Okay, so how much or how many. If a word it answers the question how much or how many, it is the adjective of quantity. For example, how much water is there in the jug? There is some water in the jug. How many people are there in the queue? Is a few people are in the queue. So okay, so here how much or how many if answers, that is the adjective of quantity. Children, now we will see some examples for adjective of quantity. Example, there is much water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. There is no water in the jug. There is some water in the jug. There is sufficient water in the jug. There is enough water in the jug. Okay. So here much, little, some, sufficient, enough are the words to describe the adjective of quantity. Children, now we will write the class work for English Literature Reader Lesson 7, The Day I Came to Meet Mishka. Kids, take a fresh page, write the heading Lesson 7, The Day I Came to Meet Mishka, and leave a line. Put the Roman letter 1 synonyms in the left corner and leave a line. Write starting the words and meanings. Okay, first one is dumps, unhappy, leave a line. Second, exciting, interesting, leave a line. Okay, in between each and every word leave a line. Okay, and third one, banked, it hit hard. And fourth one is grin, smile. Fifth one is saucepan, a cooking pan. Sixth one is rubbish, useless things. Seventh one is fetched, brought. Eighth one is radiator, a device for heating rooms. Okay, students, write the question in black and answer in blue. Second Roman letter is answer the following questions. Name the two friends' name mentioned in the story. Miksha and Nicolets were the two friends mentioned in the story. Second question is what was the name of the book Mishka was reading? Mishka was reading a book titled Poultry Farming. Third question is list the contents present in the book. There was a picture of a hen and a cock on the cover, and on every page there were diagrams, drawings, and picture of hoops. Next, fourth question is name the device which was mentioned in the book Poultry Farming. In the book Poultry Farming, the device mentioned was an incubator. What is an incubator? Incubator is a machine that hatches chicken itself without any hen. Okay, and sixth question is list few things that were used to make an incubator. Paraffin lamp, plywood, copper wire, good sized tin were the few things used to make an incubator. Okay, kids, write the question in black and answer in blue. Kids, and next one is A. Tick the correct answer. It is the book back exercise. It is given in page number 35. Okay, answers I have given. First question is Mishka and Nicolets were unhappy because they were getting bored. Nicolets found Mishka reading a book on poultry farming. The boys decided to make an incubator. To make an incubator, the boys used old things. Their incubator was of medium size. The boys could not hatch chickens in the incubator because Mishka's mother didn't let them. So these are the answers for the questions. Okay, choose. So tick the correct answer in your book. Kids, write the classwork neatly and legibly. Okay, thank you kids. Stay home, stay safe.